how to fix the power window main switch assembly for a 2010 Hyundai Elantra. Here I am at the Northern Virginia Auto Recycling Center, which is also called the Pick and Save. Alright, first thing we're going to do to change this main switch power window assembly is first there is a tab in there. We're going to remove that right in there. And there's also one in here. We're going to remove that. Once we're done, we're going to go all the way to the bottom. We're just going to fill down here with the trim removal and just pull out. And this will remove the entire door panel. Okay, once we do that, there are like 5 or 6 screws within this main switch assembly, which we'll remove. And we'll go ahead and replace it with one that we received from this salvage junkyard. All right, let's hope it works. First, we're going to get this trim panel remover, remove this portion right here. You don't have to take it off, you can just let it hang. Next up, flathead. Remove that plastic piece inside like I mentioned. One in the middle. Alright, move those aside. Phillips. Screwdriver. Move this covering. Place it aside. I'm gonna go to the bottom and just pry out. Now towards the back, there's actually the connectors for the main switch assembly. You're just gonna pull them out. So there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Push down, pull out. Alright. Remove whatever is in there. Raven Simone? I don't know. Eden's Crush? I don't know. We're going to remove all these things because we're going to place it upside down. Jump in? I don't know. Let's do it. Alright, here goes the screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just gonna go ahead and remove those. Watch out, there's a little bracket within this portion right here. One more. Alright, so you're just gonna you're gonna push out. You're gonna pry off and push out. Very easy. Here goes the old one. Alright, let's put in another one. The next one is from the 2010 Elantra as well. So for this, we're just going to test it out. We're not going to put it together first. We're going to test it out and see if it works. If it works, then we'll put it back together, then we're done. Alright guys, now it's time to test the replacement unit switch assembly for the power windows from the junkyard that we received. Alright, so before I put everything back together, I'm just going to plug in these 2 harnesses just to see if it will work. So let's go with the big one first. Small one, this is for the directional mirrors. All right, so now that that's plugged in, you don't need to do this one. Let's go ahead and test it. All right, got my key. All right, you don't need to turn the ignition on. So the trouble one was this one, which was the front passenger window. So let's go ahead and press it. Now let's look. I have a tester unit there. This is a tester. Up. Up works fine. Down. Down works fine. We're done. Mission complete. Now what we're gonna do is just place all these things back together and get down the road. Have a nice day, guys.